I'm Padmanabhan here. My brother got operated for hernia from Dr. Vinay from Vamshodaya Hospital in Kolar. We had a wonderful time here, wonderful people around here. The staffs are very good, and also doctor is very good. Or ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. Now he is feeling better after 3 days. So we came from Pune. Dr. Vinay seems to be very good and very cooperative, as well as whatever difficulties ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಶನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವರ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. I think I will recommend a lot of people to come and take treatment in this multi-specialist hospital in Kolar.